Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back, quiz champion. Get ready for the ultimate vegetable edition. Nobody cannot find the odd letter VF in 8 seconds. We have found quiz champion. Great start. 97% my senior viewer failed to find the odd number 91 among 19 in 10 seconds. "91 well spotted, my senior viewer." Looking again, which garlic emoji doesn't follow the rule? Find in 10 seconds. You stay alert and pick the right one. Hello my most senior viewer, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd letter LR in 8 seconds? Good spotting, that's the letter LR. Which cauliflower emoji feels misplaced within this arrangement? That selection fits perfectly with the logic. Hey genius, or you focus master, can you find the odd number 08 among 80 in 10 seconds? Outstanding, this is the number 08. One eggplant emoji doesn't belong to this set. Can you identify it? Correct, that eggplant breaks the grouping. Come on my adult viewer, can you solve this math quiz? 67 add 9 in 9 seconds? Good job, my adult viewer. 76. A cone emoji is hidden among the others. Can you find the odd one? Yes, that cone is the one that doesn't match. Hurry up my regular viewer, find the odd one out, number 84 between 48 in 10 seconds. Woohoo, this is the number 84. Which okra emoji instantly draws attention in this group? Right choice, that okra stands completely alone. Only 1% senior audience passed this challenge. Find the letter PA. Good call, my audience, that's the letter PA. Easy level done, medium level start. Hello my honorable viewer, can you find the different number 50A in 15 seconds? Super, today you passed the challenge. Only my smart viewer passed this math quiz. 59 add 15 subtraction 24 and divide by 10 in 15 seconds. Excellent. Option 2, 5. Nobody can find the or letter like FIFA among FIF4 in 15 seconds. Sharp eyes, that's the letter FIFA. Hey my smart viewer, can you solve this general knowledge quiz? The Grand Canyon is located in which country in 15 seconds? Good job. Option C, USA. Hello genius, can you find the odd number in 10 seconds? Excellent. This is the number. Look closely. Something unexpected is hiding here. Which one is it? Super. This one, the odd emoji. Only the smart guys can find the odd number in the given time. Good job, this is the number. Hey viewer, can you pick the odd one letter in time frame? Hello my honorable viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this one is the different letter. Hey my genius audience, one number is different. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Super, this number is different from other. In this quiz, my viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji in time? Hello my gentleman viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Good job, your brain is perfect. Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Hey viewer, test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Nice work. These emoji. Can you spot the odd number in time? Good job, you spot the number. In this quiz, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Hey viewer, are you focus master? Can you find the odd number in 15 seconds? One of these emojis is different. Can you see it? Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji in time frame. Hey viewer, can you identify the odd number in 15 seconds? Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number in time? Hey viewer, which emoji breaks the rule of this pattern? Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Outstanding! This is the emoji. The last quiz of my video. Only mathematical lover solve this quiz. 29 subtraction 3 multiply 4 in 10 seconds. It's right here. Good focus. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.